Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to get purchase order history summary through BAPI. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Enter the transaction code SE37. Now press enter key. Enter the functional module BAPI underscore PO underscore get details. Once you enter the functional module, click on execute button. Here, this is very simple screen. Here we need to enter the purchase order number. I'm going to enter the purchase order number. Which details you want to see in the output? That details you want to mark it as X. I want to see the item details and purchase order history. I'm going to mark it as X. Once you mark it as X, just press enter key. Now click on the execute button. We got header details. This is the header details. Okay, just click on this icon. We can see the header details. Now come back. Scroll down little bit. If you want to see the item details, you need to click on this icon. Here we can see the item details. Now come back. Scroll down little bit. If you want to see the complete history details, click here. Here we can get the complete history details. It is difficult to calculate the how much quantity is GR is done, how much invoice is done. To get those details, just come back. Scroll down little bit. In PO item history totals, just click on this icon. We can get summary of the history. Just click on this single entry icon. Here we can see how much quantity GR is done, what is the value of GR, and how much quantity invoice is done, what is the value of the invoice. That summary we can see here line item wise. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.